So Twitch is one of the most popular streaming applications out there. And I'll go ahead and show you kind of a quick breakdown on exactly how to use this particular app. Now keep in mind, this is the application portion. The website portion is slightly different. I'll make a separate video on that, but this is basically how to use the App Store version. Now, when you first open it up, it'll ask you to go ahead and log in or create an account. So go ahead and make sure you log in and create an account. Now once that's done, you can go ahead and open up the app. Now, when you do that, you'll come into a page that looks somewhat similar to something like TikTok. So you can swipe through these pages and basically just get an idea of kind of what's going on within the application. So here you can see I show speed. You can see this countdown here. There's a lot of different pages that you can kind of see. This is all under the Home tab. So you can see live options and you can also see clips. So these are clips. These are like content. This is content that people have made that they clipped up and posted back on Twitch. So you can swipe through and see all these things that basically come up. So you can just kind of swipe through and use Twitch whichever way you want to. It's just like TikTok. If you're following anybody, they will come up under the following tab right there. Now, if you want to search for somebody, you can always click on the search button, the browse button at the bottom, and you'll be able to come and see exactly what's going on within Twitch. So there's a lot of different types of categories you can kind of choose from. So if you want to, you can go ahead and find the particular one that you want to find, and go ahead and hop in here and go ahead and find the category of people that you want to watch. This plus button in the center allows you to go ahead and start streaming. So if you want to, you can start streaming a game, you can stream IRL, and you can go to your creator dashboard. Now, I am not a streamer, so I don't really need to do any of this, but if you did want to stream, you can come right inside of your phone. You can start going into stream games. If you want to stream a set of games on your device, or if you want to stream IRL in real life, you can click on Stream IRL and you'll be able to stream in real life. Now, this activity button will basically just show you all different types of notifications and stuff that you'll basically get inside of your device. So that is another thing you can kind of do here as well. So you can see all sorts of different activities, you can see all sorts of different notifications and stuff that you'll basically come up. And that is another big thing that you can basically see here as well, which is another big thing to kind of keep in mind here. And then at the very end, you have profile. So this profile option will show you all your profile, information. If you want to change some of your profile information, you can do that here as well. You'll see your about, your clips, all these other things that are going on inside of your account as well. You'll be able to see that information right here. Now, if you go back home, if you find a particular person that you like seeing or like watching, you can always go through and you can either come right into their profile by tapping onto their name, and you'll be able to see their Twitch profile. So here, if you like somebody, you can follow this person. So you can click on the follow account and start following them. You'll start to see all their information, all their past live streams, any of them that are currently available. You'll be able to go through and be able to find all those live streams that they've done, and you can go through them and interact with them from that side as well. So you can kind of go through here, choose whichever type of option you want. You can kind of, correspond and kind of mess some things up here and there. And, if you like somebody, you can follow them, you can like their content. And that's kind of that. It's a pretty basic type of application to use. It's so similar to TikTok now for this, at least this portion. You can stream, you can post content, and that's essentially how you go ahead and use Twitch. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.